Hello there, greetings. Uh, let's talk about the directive include. Directive include. So, according to this image, we have two ways to use our include directive. So, the first we have less than and finish with a greater than. And the second representation we have double quotes. So what is the big difference between these two? So let's open our IDE. Let's create a new file. Let's save it in our desktop with name include.c. Okay, so let's make our main function be there. So let's just focus on our include the directive. So this first representation, we use that to import our libraries in our main code of our program. So as we can see, according to the all keywords existing in C language, we don't have any keyword that allow us to uh, read and print some information in screen or read from keyboard or things like that. So to get these features, the standard language gave us the basic or the standard libraries that can help us to give it this support that the keywords don't have the power to give us these features. So to import those libraries to our program or to import our libraries to our program, we have to import it. In the way to import it in C language, we use the directive include. Alright. So, according to the first example, first representation that we have here in this image, we have the file name in this between less than and greater than or more than. So, we have this std that h is the standard input output. This is the library that you have the support to standard way to read or to print something. So, according to this representation, is like the representation that we have here in this image. So, if we violate this rule, if we give some space, if we give some space according to the hash and it include the directive, or if we give some space here, what will be the result? Let's try to compile it, and it gave us an error. Why error? He says that stdu.h no such file or directory. Actually, if we take out the space here in less than and more than, if we try to compile it again, it run it. Wow, how? So actually, the file name or the things or the string that we inform here less than and more than will be exactly the string that the linker will target in library directory. Uh, the space between include and the less than, no matter, it will be skipped, and the space between hash or sharp to include, it will be also skipped. So let's just keep it more clear and more beautiful, just to look more shine. Okay, according to the second representation, that the big difference is just double quotes that h. So what is the difference between these two? So let's minimize it. Our main program is our source code is in desktop. So the second representation that we use double quotes, firstly it will look the file name. It means it will look at the library or the header file in the same folder that is our source code, it means this programming code. So it first will look here in this folder that is desktop. If it will not find the file, it will look the file in the standard directory where there are the all standard libraries that came with the compiler or that was informed by the linker. So it means if we use it, the first representation less than and more than, it will go directly to that directory, to that folder that there are all the standard libraries that came with the compiler. But the second representation, it will look first in the same folder or directory that is our program that is running this code or our source code. So this is the major difference between them. The first representation go directory to the standard directory that there are all the standard libraries, and the second representation it will look first in the directory that is our source code. So after that, if there are no such file, it will look into the standard library, the standard for that is all the standard library. If not find it there, it will give error saying that this search file was not found. So this is the big difference. So did you like this video? So don't forget to like right below, left, actually left, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to have more information on news, things like that. And don't forget to comment if you have any kind of question, just to help us to grow and to be the way to shine or to look the patch or the way to others programmers to join together. Let's hook it. Okay, and God bless you. Be in peace. See you later.